Excuse me? Excuse me?
Yes?
What is that?
This? This is sin. Pretty nifty, eh?
Yeah.
Even exciting.
Yeah.
Here, try a little bit. A little sin never hurt anybody.
What are you doing?
Whatever you let me do.
Oh, wait, what is this?
Bondage.
Bondage? I don't believe in bondage.
Neither do I.
Wait a minute, who are you?
Satan?
Satan? I don't believe in Satan.
Me neither.
Wait a minute, where are we going?
To hell.
Hell, I don't believe in hell either.
Of course you don't. Not many people do nowadays.